Step-by-step guide accessing Claude AI on DuckDuckGo browser. Now to access it,
Open your DuckDuckGo. Here inside the DuckDuckGo, here type duck.ai. Now click on search. Now click on this icon on the top side here.
Select Claude AI.
Now click on start new chat.
As you can see, you have started using Claude AI.
Now you can ask anything
And the Claude AI will generate a response or answer it. Hey there, welcome to GTECHAI. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe and click on the bell icon. For more AI tutorial and application guide, here are some AI tutorial that will be of helpful to you. You can also find them in the description section below, and also see you on the next video. Peace.